today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
Well, I'm back down in Florida, boys. Figured I'd take a quick trip. See the damage that Twister did. The tornado that ripped through Crystal River. Exactly a month after they had that hurricane that did a storm surge. Poor Crystal River. Let's see if the batteries got enough to get us going here. Not quite. Give it a little kick with it. Turn my gas on. That's half choke. Of course, you got to keep it running with your twist throttle. That's choke off. So we'll take a ride around. They're still doing some cleanup. The tornado came through 2 weeks ago, but there's still a lot of stuff that hasn't been fixed yet. It's crazy. And it was only about a mile from here. It did some damage where it came through. Same thing with the hurricane storm surge. That was about 2 miles from here. It flooded. We didn't get anything at all. I know everybody's been asking on both of those, thanks. But I didn't get anything on any of them. Suppose I should have checked my air pressures, huh? Still have pretty close to a full tank. Sugar sand. So between them two storms, we didn't even get a branch down in the yard. Either of my two places down here. My son's place and our new place. The Raven. Still running good. Maybe they'll make this counterbalance too, like the Hawk X and the new Hawk DLX. So right here, there was a mobile home that burned down right there, and there was still a bunch of debris that ended up all over the place. Nothing really to look at there, but here's some debris there. And then right over here, where the buffalo roam knocked their fence down. Oh yeah, like knocked all their fence down. Even on the side road, knocked it down. So the buffaloes must be in the stables. This poor guy. He got hit pretty hard. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Looks like it might have been an addition or something. Got knocked down. So he got it. Like my back tire might be a little low. Poor guy. And this is the KOA. They're moving along on that. KOA campground. I haven't been down here in 2-3 months. I left just before the hurricane. Racetrack got the roof ripped off it, and so did Ace Hardware here. They got hit pretty good too. What's that? I'm just doing a video. So they got hit pretty good. They'll be closed for a while. And the racetrack got it pretty good. Across the street, they got it pretty good. The flood was actually up past here from that hurricane storm surge. Right at the end where we pulled out at Turkey Oak. I went all the way to there, but this whole area got flooded. I'm not sure about down these side streets much. But this place up here got hit pretty good. So I don't know if it kind of came diagonally northeast. Jim Lagrone Park. As you can see, they got hit. Took their fence down. They're still doing cleanup. Definitely ripped the roofs off of a couple of these places. A little bit of damage. Somebody's got their bike parked there. Yeah, as you can see, it got the front of that place. I don't know what the name of that place is. It's a business. Allergy and hearing aids. Florida Cancer Center. Specialists. They got it. Citrus infectious disease. Looks like you got the roof. And I don't know what that is. The old mall here, the strip mall, that was already in bad shape, but it looks like it maybe tore it up a little bit more. Like that. Oh yeah. Jeez, you took some of the windows out? Cynthia's. Oh, almost ran into that one. Jeez, knocked that right down, didn't it? Knocked her right down. I'm not going in. Phew, smells like old wood. And that place being closed so long, I guess. Crystal River Pools got their roof. Snapped a few trees here. I haven't been on these side roads, but it's the first time I've ever been on this road, actually. I don't think I have the air pump in here, but I should definitely do the air pressure. It's a little low. Stupid cheesy, gotta check that stuff. They're doing some cleanup. You don't even know I'm here, see? Yeah, got their roof. Oh, what's up, puppy? Little dachshund. Also got this place, a real estate place, a nice little strip mall. Let me check my air pressure too. Might have it in here. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's see if it held some juice. There's 12 pounds in there. Wow. Let me do 20. What should I just put here? 25. Yeah, good thing I have it. Definitely felt low. That's why you're supposed to check this stuff before you ride if it's been sitting a long time. I usually do like 24 or so. Yeah, that one's low too. 5 pounds. Jeez. I knew I felt it. Keep riding on that low of a tire, definitely get a flat. While that's going on, I'll take a video. So yeah, this place got pretty wrecked. Over there too. They got pretty hit. Pretty hard. It's gonna take a while to fix this one. Oh, perfect timing. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Jeez. I got a new chain I gotta put on here too, especially before I do some sand riding. Let's see if I can start now. I wanted to. Thank God it's kickstart. Holy cow. Back there too? What was that? Oh, maybe that's where they're bringing all the stuff now? A lot of destruction. Didn't hit Granny's. Alright, we'll just go down this way a little bit. Flip that baby over. So yeah, flip someone's shed over. Oh, it was anchored too. I can see the anchors are there. Well, yeah, I was gonna say no anchors, but they're little baby anchors, like what you hold for a dog leash or something. Adjust my clutch too here. Maintenance, cheesy maintenance. And they got hit. Absolute log group. I pulled the roof right off it. It was jeez. Then it kind of looks like it went that way because it hit the roof of that. Not much more damage down this way the tornado did. Yeah, it was like exactly a month after that hurricane flood. Get a tornado. Got their tennis courts. And the roof. Unsafe. Oh yeah. Lots of damage, huh? So that place is all boarded up. They want to drive out on a golf course, boys. I'm not a member. It's okay. I'm a YouTuber. That's what I'll tell them. So yeah, I did a little destruction. Hit that place behind there too. There's a shed. Hope he didn't have nothing good in there. Pretty sure it didn't hit anything over here. Maybe on this side road. Well, that's behind that other place. That's behind that real estate company. You can definitely almost follow the line on a map. Didn't hit Harbor Freight. He's smoking crack. Smoking something. Oh, might have done that. What's that? A little bent up. Huh. I'm gonna have to look up how many mile-an-hour winds, but everything over here is supposed to be like 150 mile-an-hour rated, so that tornado was probably over 200. Small enough to fit in here and go straight. Get B. Back on Route 44. Miss Coney Island hot dogs. Yeah, there's the Ace. So did get this health club. So see it come up all the way up through this. The chiropractor. So I imagine it must be over here. Got some. Oh yeah. Got that guy's house. Some bunch of garbage. But it must have got houses diagonally, so we'll take this other side road, because I think we can hit that other road coming back. Ooh, they got some. This one doesn't go through. I'm gonna have to do the other one. Whew, poor guy. Some big trees. Oh yeah, see, it ripped right through all of this. Oh yeah, no. I get it. Something flies off, right?
Alright, man, you're good to go.
Alright. Take care. I gotta watch for some nails on this debris too. You get a shingle with a nail sticking up. Oh yeah, I got them pretty good too. Oh, can't come this road. Blocked off. Snap that big tree right there, huh? Lots of cleanup, boy. So hopefully it'll be another 100 years before they get hit with another tornado and hurricane. I'll have to take you up to the old mall too, boys. That looks like a hurricane hit it, or a tornado, but it's getting knocked down. Been cold down here. I think it got down to like 46 or 48 at night, but it warms right back up into the 70s during the day. Oh, right through a red light. Another one right through a red light. Beautiful. Beautiful. See why you gotta watch? Gotta watch for them crazies on the road. KOA campground. I forget how many sites are in there, but quite a few. I think it was over 100, like 120. Here's more of the fencing from the buffalo. I got knocked down. That might have been from the flooding now. I'm not too sure. Because it was almost over about this area. Maybe not. Buffalo at play. Not anymore. Not for a little while anyway. This is Balloon Street. As far as north of here, I didn't see any more damage from the tornado. But of course, if you follow that line, it goes through a lot of woods. There are some houses up through there, but I don't really know that way much. It's amazing how much power wind and water has. These old oak trees are really nice. It's pretty cool the way the oak trees grow over. Crystal River Railroad. The sheriff's boys. Helicopter. What the hell are they doing? Huh. Is that the news? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Of course, I can't park anywhere. I'll park over here and see what they're doing. That's pretty cool. I don't know what that is. Oh, they must be bringing supplies. It says aerial support. I don't know what that's for. Loading them up. What is that? Bags of something they're dumping into a hopper, maybe? It says something right there on the bottom. Can't really see it now because I'm doing it on my phone. Well, they're done. I want to see them take off. Yeah, they're winding up. Then they turn the pitch of the blades. That's pretty neat. Back to the mall. So Rural King is still here. I don't think there's any openings in the fence that I can sneak in. Or that I should sneak in either. Here's the back part of the mall. A little torn up. Oh, yeah, maybe I could sneak behind there. That's a good spot to get some video. And that's, well, what used to be the mall. And don't forget, this was connected to the mall. So that's basically what's left of the mall. They've been busy. That was the center of the mall, the dome. It's all gone. No more malling for Crystal River. And it's a shame, because when I first bought my place down here and Chris came down to help, we'd go into the bathrooms to wash up because I had no water, electric, nothing. And the bathrooms that were in here were brand new. I don't know if you guys remember those videos. That was like 3 years ago. Brand new redone bathrooms. Clearance. 10 grand. Well, I don't think you can get out this way. Maybe. Oh yeah, it's still open. Different view. Oh, here comes a helicopter again. Wow, is that another one? Not anymore. It's open. Nah, I'm not gonna risk it. Oh, they got some buildings up in here. This is an RV resort, see? Sweet Citrus Acres RV Resort. And they're moving right along on that too. Got a couple buildings up. Might be working with someone who does the big bores and cams and all those kits for these CG engines. We'll see. They contacted me a couple days ago. I haven't had a chance to get back to them, but might be doing a big bore kit and a cam or whatever. So stay tuned for an update on that. Raven's running good. Except this piece broke off when my son's friend wrecked it, bent the handlebars and stuff. Maybe put a tie wrap or something to hold that. Broke that little tab. So that's pretty much it as far as damage that I saw. A poor Crystal River got hit back to back, hurricane and tornado, within a month of each other. They'll rebuild. 536 miles since I put this speedometer assembly. I'll definitely do an oil change when I do the chain too. Ow. Oh, where'd I come up with those? Stupid sand spurs. Oh my god. Get rid of those. Don't want those seeds on my property. Man, they hurt. They're so sharp. Where the heck did I pick these up? Oh yeah. Got some good ones. They are so sharp. Sometimes even pulling them off, you get you. Where the heck did I get these? They get stuck to the soles of my cheap Walmart shoes too. Nope. Didn't get me.
You alright?
Yeah, I picked up some sand spurs somewhere. I got some of them sand spurs on my sock somehow. People are nice down here. Thanks for stopping. Peach Lane, huh? Never been down here. Huh. Goes under the power lines, that's why. I didn't think there was a road that cut back the other way. No, this just comes back and that's it. Doesn't go. I don't know if that does either, but I don't think so. No, there's a fence back there. Huh. Bunch of goats. Wonder if they're the fainting goats. Those things are so cool. Road's holding up okay. So yeah, Cheezville did not get any damage. Lucky. So I'll get some more videos out, but I want to get this one out first. I gotta change the oil in my Jeep. Thanks for watching, guys.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.